GMAX G69s, 2XL and 3XL. Okay, now we've got the tripod set up. All right, I like it so far. So, let's try taking this out. Well, I can feel it's lighter already in the frame. Let me show you again the problem with the 3X. Okay. We'll secure the strap to make it an accurate demonstration. Alright, now when I push up, it should not slide so much. See how much it slides? So when that impact, it could slide like this. It'll give me a little bit of an unusual fit. All right, so now let's try the 2X. Oh, help son. Unhook it. This says 3XL 65 to 66 cm. And this one is 63 to 64 cm, so it's just a little bit smaller. But man, I can tell already that that hole is this gonna fit my head? I don't think so. Okay, let's try it. Well, I'd have to ride in it, but if my head fits in there, but this is definitely kind of scrunched. The cheek pad is scrunched up in there. Let's tighten it first. It was on sale for $63. It's like the cheapest helmet. If anyone wants to know how come I'm always broke, because I made the dumb choice to serve my country. We don't get paid that much when you are in the United States Civil Service. All right, let's push it down. Okay, it slides, but not as easy. I could really feel it gripping my head, so it feels pretty comfortable. I think I might be able to go with this. So the only other thing now is to do some rides with this and see how it feels pain-wise, but definitely it fits better. It fits tighter. It's a very good cheap helmet, but it's very good. It's nice aerodynamic. This will pop off right in here. Here's your front vent and the two top vents. There we go. A little tough to activate. There we go. With your finger. Bring that down so you breathe. I almost pulled it off again without taking the strap off. So then the only other thing is to change to the tinted. You just push this down and it releases that and it comes out. You got to make sure it's aligned. It's a little tricky. You hold that down and push it in and this will come out. And you'll be able to use the tinted. Lens that comes with it. And I've used the tinted lens fine. It's perfectly comfortable as far as vision. And it's I like it.